Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check temperature on the LENOVO V15. So unfortunately there is no native tool or program to check your laptop's temperature, but we can use a free third-party application called CoreTemp. So in order to download it, open your web browser and search for the CoreTemp application in the search engine. Find the official allcpu.com website that says CoreTemp and click download on their main page. Then open the downloaded file and you can close the browser at this point. I'll click yes. Now let me just magnify. Okay, so click next, then read and accept the user agreement and click next once again. Then you can change the destination folder by clicking browse and selecting the new one from your file explorer. Then click OK and click next. On the following page you have to check or uncheck the checkboxes. So if you want a desktop shortcut, you have to leave this to this checkbox checked. If you don't, just uncheck it. If you need an additional language pack, you can also leave this one checked, and if you don't, then uncheck it. And that's it. Click next, then click install and wait until the application is installed. It's gonna be pretty quick. Okay, next, and then let's uncheck readme and let's launch CoreTemp right away. Click finish and wait until this program launches. And as you can see, this program basically consists of two parts. The upper part tells you your processor information, and the one below shows you the table with temperature readings. So here you can, in the first column, you can check the current temperature of each core of your processor. And now here you can, in the following one, you can find the minimum registered temperature. And now it's the minimum registered temperature by this application, so it's not yet very correct, but it will be in the future if you decide to leave this program. Here is the maximum registered temperature, and here is the average temperature of each core. And now the last column is basically the load of each core of your processor. So that's how you can read your device's temperature. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.